Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display. Then let's scroll down and find the option which is called screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently which are available in this device. So at the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes. It will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.